Hello po, Pastora!
Mother's Day!
Happy Father! Hello po, Pastora Shirley!
We were so busy, I forgot to tell you.
Oh my God! We did not greet him. I forgot.
Dito na lang pala. No, I'm just sitting. I'm gonna stand. For a little bit. How's everybody?
They go out, everybody. Have a seat. For everybody to come out.
Yeah, give me a second. Where's everybody?
They went out, Pastora. Surprise!
I did too. I know. That was good. Oh, so much nicer out here.
You want to have a seat?
In a moment, I do. Thank you.
Pastora Shirley, have a seat, please.
Okay, I guess they want me to sit down, don't they?
Yes.
Because everybody keeps telling me to, so. Oh, can I double the chairs?
Okay, so dito lang ako ihihi. May tao?
Wala.
Ito nga rin yung bag ko.
Alright, gang. Where's everybody?
Peripato.
Everybody?
Peripato.
They are coming, Pastora.
There is merienda. They're waiting for
Ne.
ice cream.
So how was this morning?
Oh.
Huh? Sister Sally, cold water, please.
Thank you.
Sinusurprise yung sarili niya.
He's still running around.
What is your surprise agapi mo? Ella, istoryo mo.
Sister, wala.
Hindi kaya.
Sorry, Mom.
Kasi sabi niya hindi na ang taga-umupo ni Pastora, kaya lagi na siya nagso-surprise. Nice na rin ating mga kalaan, no?
Pastora!
Ay ka po. Bunga-bunga, magpahinga ka po.
Upo muna po kayo.
Audience tayo ngayon.
Opo.
Pagod ka, tapos mabunga-bunga pa si Pastora.
Ay, 6 lang from Now we will start the surprise he's telling about. Pastora, you're one of the audience to witness the surprise. Yeah. Have a surprise!
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 Ay, dito rin ba? Ay, sorry.
Okay. Can I bring this here? Yes.
Surprise daw.
Eto na. Meron na yung surprise. Nandito na.
Where do you want me?
Happy Father's Day.
Pastora, Shirley.
Yeah. Sit down.
Oh, thank you for the water.
Thank you very much
As I
po.
spill it all over.
I hope po na-surprise namin kayo. And I hope na hindi po kayo na-afraid sa ginagawa namin.
Nakakatakot.
Baka ma-opisina kami lahat.
Si Pastor naman siya na, Pastor, please. Kaya,
Everybody po is hindi sila lumabas. Andito po sila. And they have an effort na
go out, they are here, and they are trying to...
Yes.
nag-effort po na mag-prepare ng something
Yes.
special for the Father. Na to tell him na hindi namin sila nakalimutan.
Kami nakalimutan namin siya.
Ayan.
Nagmukha akong toto.
And kung ano man po yung naihanda namin for you, Pastor, hope you like it. At sana po hindi ka po kami mapunta sa opisina lahat mamaya. And actually, everybody is here at the back.
Oh, at the back.
Pastor knows!
You throw you off running out every time you
And-
surprise.
Yung surprise po na prepare,
He's still doing it.
we just want po na ipakita namin, yung goal po namin, maipakita lang namin how we appreciate of being you as the father of this church.
Amen.
Teary-eyes na ako. Ako po, personally, in my 1.5 soon here, I really appreciate po na hindi ka man masyadong mapagsalita, hindi ka man
Yes,
masyadong in touch sa amin.
amen.
But yung pong mga expression, yung pong mga actions, you really express how care.
Opo.
Kung paano po yung care niya sa amin.
Yes,
na
yes.
we find a place really, a family here in
Yes,
Larnaca,
yeah.
in Cyprus. And thank you very much po. Hopefully po.
It's a Mother's Day.
Pastora, Father's Day, si Mother's Day. Habang po pinaiiyak ko kayo, patatawarin naman po kayo ng mga sister. It shows po kung paano namin winitness kung who you are po, yung mga face expressions nyo, yung mga actions nyo, yun po yung i-react nila ngayon. Hopefully you like it, Pastor. And let's start. From the very beginning po, dumating sa buhay mo yung angel mo, and that is Natasha. And somebody witness kung paano mo siya inalagaan na umiiyak at pinadede.
Since Natasha came in our life,
Yes, there's a one day that
Really, please stop crying na. I cannot let this stop.
look at your face, Pastor! Gusto mo nang umiyak?
Stop crying. Mommy's will coming. Mommy's coming soon. Baby, good girl. Thank you, Abby. Ang next po.
Happy Mother's Day po. Ang next po, when you are giving instructions sa mga sister about the ministry and how you look, Pastor. Giving an instruction to all the sisters. Come on, Ate Elsa. Do it.
Did you do your assignment?
So stern. Thank you, Ate Elsa. Now you're getting to know you more, Pastor. Next po, Pastor, as kilig moment ni Pastor dito pag nakikita siya. Pastor daw po as Piolo Pascual.
Ako si Pastor Carlo.
Forget?
Huwag mong sabihin na...
Nakalimutan niya yung script
na pag
niya.
kinikindat ako, kinikindatan na kita. Kasi may mel na ako.
And next po, as we witness everything here, is all the effort of Pastor. Kung paano kaganda yung ating garden. And i-act po ni Sister Emily. Kasi siya ang nakaka-order pag wala tayo dito ng Sunday. At si Pastora, as Sister Shira.
Agapi, tama ba itong ginagawa ko? May gusto ka bang ipagawa, Agapi? Wala na. Puro first label naman to. Baka gusto naman magpatrape. Wala na, Dad. O sige, gawin kita ng trape.
At this moment po, dumating po si Pastor Andreas. And this is the situation. Pastor Andreas, come in. Who is Philippines?
Mama!
Hello. favorite. Where's ako?
Perwe.
Hindi ko, Hindi ka ako makahinga.
Would you like help?
Carlos, you will not serve me.
Pastor Carlos can't breathe anymore.
Would you like me to pour it for you?
Enjoy both of you and I will do something. Okay, we will sit down.
Thank you, Sister Shirley. Thank you, Sister Emily.
Yes, thank you. Carlos, where are you? We sit down and talk.
That sounds like him.
Why'd you leave me?
Why'd you leave me?
And I'm not Okay, anyway, I'll tell you something about the woman later.
Sounds
The
just
man
like
being
him.
the lion. Okay, but later. Okay, thank you. Okay.
I'll tell you something about the woman later.
Thank you, Sister
That's very good. That
Emily.
was good.
Meron pa not yet. Hindi pa po siya tapos. This time po, punta naman tayo sa medyo seryosong moment.
Serious moment.
While preaching. May Sister Grace.
Okay mga sister, paki-open ng Biblia or Bible with me and Proverbs chapter 3, 5, 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, never delay, and what you think to know. Remember, the Lord sees everything you do, and He will show you the right way. Sister, listen. Okay, sister, touch your sister and say hello.
Ayun, Pastora, huwag mo sabihin hindi ka namin pinapansin at palagi si Pastora lang pinapansin namin. You know very well how can they see that all those, memorize all those actions and how silent we are. Focus on you, focusing on only what you're doing and telling. Anyway, let's continue. This time naman po, yung itsura ni Pastor pag nangungonsumi siya sa mga sister. Tahimik lang po siya. He is very quiet when he is upset to all the sisters what they are doing. And this how he looks like. Iyaak po siya ni Sister Zenny.
Wow.
Siguraduhin mo ganyan yung ginagawa ni Pastor.
Hindi naman
Baka
ganyan eh.
maubos ka ha? Baka maubos ka dyan.
Pag nangungunsumi.
Pastor, don't look at me!
Aray ko po. Aray ko.
Si Pastor, pag nagmumuni-muni siya or iniisip niya si Pastora. Iniisip niya yung mga kilig moments nila ni Pastora. When he is thinking about Pastora, and this how he looks. Sister Annalie.
Hindi makita yung mukha. Nangayayat.
Nangayayat na sa kakaisip ng Pastora.
Ang Pirelli yun.
At habang pong iniisip niya si Pastora, Ang sample moments po na mga iniisip na pastor is the kilig moments na gustong-gusto ni Ate Charlie. So may I welcome po Ate Sonia and Pastora, Sister Karen. Sister Karen is the Pastora. Yan po yung mga one of the thing na iniisip ni Pastor. Kilig moments nila ni Pastora. Na gustong-gusto ni Ate Charlie.
Thank you to all of you, my Sister Charlie. Sister Charlie, come. This is the moment. Ella. You see?
The kissing scene! The kissing scene! Who can forget the kissing scene? Ayun ang kinakikiligan ni Ate Charlie. And ito po yung mga last faces ni Pastora. Different pogi faces of Pastor. Ito po yung formal look ni Pastor. At sa may Ate Janet, wag na lang po kayong titingin sa paa. Kasi nakahin siya. I-edit ko po hanggang dito lang. Diyan ka lang, ate. And a fresh look of Pastor by Ate Charlie. Yan ang fresh look ni Pastor pagkatapos niya maligo. Ate Charlie, dito ka. Para makita ni Pastor yung mga iba-ibang mukha niya. Diba? Yun yung amoy, gustong amoy ni Pastora. Fresh look. And the next is, look alike ni Jingoy Estrada. Wow. Ano ba Ate Elsa?
Yes.
Jingoy Estrada.
My headband.
Di mo pa Pastor? Nakakakita mo? Ate Polo? Play mo mamaya yung pidap. Daily look po, yung araw-araw na look ni Pastor. Sister Raquel.
Wow.
Baby looks.
Baby look.
Daily look.
Oh my.
I hope po na nakikita namin yung iba-ibang na-ako nila ng gusto, yung overacting man o hindi. I hope po na na-appreciate nyo. Ay!
Anong sabi ng...
Wala kayo dito, may question daw.
Anong sabi ng photocopy shop?
Ano sabi ng photocopy shop? Happy Father's Day! We love you.
I have a picture of myself.
Ilagay mo yung mukha niya.
Ilagay mo yung
Ilagay mo yung mukha niyo.
si Pastor at
Pastor kayo po.
Pastor, kasama. Pastor, kasama po kayo.
Wala mo mag-save sir.
Will the real Pastor Carlos please stand up?
Please.
Pastor.
Join them, Pastor.
Okay, upo daw.
Ayan na.
Upo yung nasa harap. Yung maliit dyan, di ba si Natasha? Ayan. Yan, the real pastor.
Okay, one more.
Natahimik sila kasi kasama na nila si
And ito po, gusto na nila naming ibigay din sa'yo as a token or na
I know that.
kinapi po nila yung, hopefully po kamukha mo yun.
What is that?
Happy Father's Day.
Picture, and they draw.
Sino nag-draw? Kailangan may mag-explain ng FIDAP.
Dito ka. Jingoy.
very much mga sisters and thank you rin po. Hopefully po.
All your faces.
It was a wonderful trip.
I have an idea.
Ipopost.
I could collect that and put that in our room.
So you always remember, Pastor. The faces of Pastor.
Baka maawan. Mabuti nga.
Happy Father's Day po ulit.
Ayan, okay na.
Speak.
Pagod na yung kamay ko.